Are you looking to factory reset your Oculus Quest 2 headset? Here's how to do it. First, power off your Quest 2 headset by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears. Use the controller to point to the blue button that says power off, and squeeze the trigger to select the power off button. Next, press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same time. The power button is the pill-shaped button on the right side of the headset, while the volume up and volume down buttons are on the bottom right side of the headset below the right lens. This will load the Quest 2 into the boot screen. Make sure you're wearing the Quest 2 headset so that you can see the menu. Now, use the volume up and volume down buttons to highlight the different options in the boot screen menu. Highlight Factory Reset, and press the power button on the right side of the Quest 2 to select the Factory Reset option. Finally, select Yes, Erase and Factory Reset. This confirms that you want to factory reset your Quest 2 headset and initiates a factory reset. Wait a few minutes for the factory reset to complete. And that's it. You've successfully factory reset your Oculus Quest 2 headset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please see